Your gut contains over 38 trillion bacteria. That's more than every single cell in your body. And right now, without knowing it, yours might be collapsing. Not dramatically, not all at once, slowly, quietly, in ways most doctors never check for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what those signs look like and what the science says you can actually do about it. Bloating after every meal, brain fog that won't lift, sugar cravings at 3 p.m., skin that keeps breaking out, mood swings that come out of nowhere. Most people blame stress, or aging, or just how they are. But research published in Nature Reviews Microbiology tells a different story. These symptoms are classic warning signals, your microbiome sending an SOS. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's happening inside your gut, why it matters more than you think, and what evidence-based steps you can take today. Let's get into it. First, what does it actually mean for a microbiome to be destroyed? Scientists call it dysbiosis. That's just a fancy word for your gut bacteria are out of balance. A healthy gut hosts somewhere between 500 and 1,000 different bacterial species. That diversity is the key word, diversity. Think of it like a rainforest. A rainforest with 1,000 species of plants is resilient, stable. A field with only 3 species, one drought and it's gone. A 2019 study in Cell Host and Microbe found that low microbial diversity is directly linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, and even depression. So when we say destroyed microbiome, we mean low diversity, high inflammation, and the wrong bacteria dominating the space. Sign number 1, chronic bloating. Not just after pizza, after salads, after water, after everything. When your gut microbiome is damaged, fermentation goes wrong. Bad bacteria break down food and produce excess gas fast. A 2021 meta-analysis in Gut Journal found that bloating is present in over 96% of IBS patients, most of whom show measurable dysbiosis. Sign number 2, brain fog. This one surprises people. Your gut and brain are directly connected. It's called the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication highway. Your gut bacteria actually produce 90% of your body's serotonin. Yes, the feel-good chemical, made in your gut. When the microbiome is disrupted, serotonin production drops. The result? Poor focus, low mood, mental fatigue. Harvard Medical School published research confirming this link in 2022. Sign number 3, you can't stop craving sugar. Here's what most people don't know. Certain bad bacteria, like Candida, literally feed on sugar, and when they dominate your gut, they send hunger signals to your brain, signals that say, "Give me more sugar, now." A study from PLOS Biology found that gut bacteria can directly influence host food preferences to favor their own survival. If your cravings feel uncontrollable, that's not weakness, that's bacteria. Sign number 4, skin problems that won't respond to creams. Dermatologists call it the gut-skin axis. Research in the Journal of Dermatological Science from 2018 showed that patients with acne had significantly lower lactobacillus levels in their gut compared to clear-skinned controls. Your gut bacteria regulate systemic inflammation. When that balance breaks, inflammation shows up everywhere, including your face. Sign number 5, weak immunity and persistent fatigue. This one is massive because 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. A landmark 2020 paper in Nature Immunology confirmed that gut bacteria train your immune cells, essentially teaching them what to attack and what to ignore. When the microbiome is destroyed, immune training breaks down. You get sick more often, you recover slower, you feel exhausted for no clear reason. So what causes all this damage? Number 1. Antibiotics. A single course of antibiotics can eliminate up to 30% of gut bacterial species. Some never fully recover. Research and science showed disruption lasting up to 6 months post-treatment. Number 2. Ultra-processed food. A 2021 study in Cell tracked 1,100 people in real time. Ultra-processed diets reduced microbial diversity within just 2 weeks. Number 3. Chronic stress. Cortisol, your stress hormone, directly suppresses beneficial bacteria like bifidobacterium. Number 4. Poor sleep. Studies from the Sleep Research Society show that even 2 nights of disrupted sleep alter gut composition measurably. Now, rebuilding a damaged microbiome takes time and consistency. One thing that's helped many people in the gut science community is adding a prebiotic-rich daily ritual that supports both gut diversity and metabolism simultaneously. I'll leave a link in the description to Nagano Tonic, a prebiotic blend formulated specifically to support the gut lining and metabolic function. It's not a magic fix, nothing is, but if you're looking to support your microbiome alongside dietary changes, it's worth looking into. Link is below. Here's the genuinely good news. Your microbiome is not static. It responds to inputs fast. A Stanford study published in Cell in 2021 put participants on a high-fiber diet for 10 weeks. Result? Measurable increases in microbial diversity in all subjects. But here's the critical nuance. More fiber alone isn't enough if your gut is already heavily damaged. You need to first reduce the enemies, then introduce the builders. A 2022 review in Nutrients described this as a 2-phase approach. Phase 1, elimination. Remove dietary triggers, reduce ultra-processed food. Phase 2, repopulation. Introduce diverse fermented foods and prebiotic fiber. Let's make this actionable. Here's what the science actually supports. Step 1. Add fermented foods daily. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. The Stanford study 2021 found fermented foods outperformed high-fiber diets for increasing diversity. Step 2. Eat 30 different plants weekly. A large UK study, the British Gut Project, found that eating 30 or more different plant varieties weekly was the single strongest predictor of microbial diversity. Step 3. Eliminate ultra-processed food for 2 weeks. Even a short elimination creates measurable positive change. Step 4. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep, non-negotiable. Sleep is when gut repair happens. Step 5. Manage cortisol. Walk 20 minutes daily. Reduce caffeine after noon. Chronic stress is a slower microbiome killer than antibiotics, but just as real. If you want a simple, structured way to start, I've created a free resource, the 7-Day Gut Reset Checklist. It walks you through exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and what habits to build day by day. Download it free. Link is in the description. If this video helped you understand what's really going on inside your gut, subscribe to Gut Science Daily. We publish weekly evidence-based content. No hype, no fluff, just science. And if you want to go deeper, watch our next video on the exact foods that feed bad gut bacteria. The third one on that list will surprise you.